Do you know that the old town of Tbilisi is famous with its naturally hot thermal bathhouses and spa? But today I'm going to take you at one mysterious abandoned bathhouse, which's history in Soviet era is strongly interconnected with the building of Metropolitan in the city. So make sure to get ready and watch this episode. Unfortunately, this place has become the victim of the establishment of Tbilisi's Metro. From the late part of 19th century, we already have information about this place as Gogilo's bathhouse in the city. Generally, Tbilisi city is rich with diversity of thermal springs, but this particular bathhouse, Gogilo's bathhouse, was prestigious and famous with its high quality of thermal waters.
საერთო წარმატებაში დიდი წვლილი შეიტანეს მოსკოვის, ლენინგრადისა და კიევის მეტრომშენებლებმა, რომლებმაც დახმარების წმური ხელი გამოუწოდეს ქართულ თანამოსაქმეებს.
In 1961, Georgia was part of Soviet Union, and the first criteria to establish metro system for its times in Soviet cities was at least 1 million inhabitants in the city. Despite the fact that Tbilisi's population was less than 1 million for that time, Soviet government still made the decision to involve Tbilisi at Soviet metro system projects together with Moscow, Kiev and St. Petersburg. But from this time, due to the lack of finances, the metro project for Tbilisi had been delayed for 5 years, and the final confirmed project for 1966 was already at modernistic, minimalist style compared to other glorious metro projects in Soviet cities. It's noteworthy that the first metro stations in Tbilisi were still adorned with granite and marble inside. In 1967, after 1 year from metro opening in Tbilisi, there was underground ongoing tunnel construction for new metro station Samasi-Aragveli, when unfortunately the sulphur spring that was providing Gogilo's bathhouse was crossed by metro tunnel, and as a result of this, thermal springs continued their flowing towards the metro tunnel instead of thermal bathhouse. There was attempts to improve this damage, but unfortunately Gogilo's thermal bathhouse stopped its functioning. Because of this fact, you can still smell the sulphur at Tbilisi's metro stations, especially at two metro stations, Avlabari and Samasi-Aragveli. For many locals, the smell today is associating as the smell of metro. The abandoned bathhouse in Tbilisi is located in old neighborhood of the city, and the exact location you can find in description below. Well, I hope you find this episode interesting for you. Make sure to explore interesting places during your travel time in Georgia. Make sure to subscribe our channel to stay updated with other upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.